How do you go from buying Rolex at the authorized dealer to getting allocated one of the best Patek Philippe watches in the world? The truth is, there are levels to buying watches. Cartier, Tudor, and Omega are already serious brands, but Rolex is a different level because there is more competition, more waiting, and more relationship building. Patek Philippe is even harder because the production is much smaller, and only a very small percentage of the watches they make are the sports models everyone wants, like the Nautilus and Aquanaut. So if you think getting a steel Daytona is difficult, getting the right Patek Philippe can be even harder. The first thing that matters is your existing relationship. If you already buy from an authorized dealer, that helps. Maybe you bought Rolex, Tudor, jewelry, or even watches that were not the most hyped pieces in the window. All of that matters because it shows the dealer you are not just walking in for the one impossible watch everyone else wants. But if you do not have a relationship yet, you need to start by learning the brand properly. This is where most people make the same mistake. They walk into the AD and immediately ask for a Nautilus or Aquanaut, and that usually gets them nowhere. Instead, you need to understand Patek Philippe beyond the sports models. Learn why the Calatrava matters, why the annual calendar is important, why perpetual calendar chronographs are respected, and why Patek is not just a brand for Instagram hype. When you can speak about the brand properly, the sales team immediately understands that you are not just there to flip a hot model. The next thing is simple, but most people do not want to hear it. Do not start by asking for the hardest watch in the store. Ask about the classic models, the dress watches, and the complications. The pieces in the window are usually the watches the dealer actually needs to sell, and if you show genuine interest in those, you are already having a better conversation than the person who only asks for a Nautilus. In reality, you may need to buy a classic Patek before you are considered for a serious sports allocation. It could be a Calatrava, an annual calendar, or a less hyped dress watch. If you had to resell it immediately, you might lose money, and that is the part nobody likes to talk about. But with Patek, you are not just buying a watch. You are building a profile. You are showing the dealer that you actually want to be part of the brand, not just take the most desirable watch and disappear. That being said, buying one Patek does not guarantee you a Nautilus or Aquanaut. Nothing is guaranteed. You can buy the watch, build the relationship, wait patiently, and still not get the exact model you want. The sales associate can leave, allocations can change, the AD can lose the brand, or they may simply choose another client. That is why you have to understand that this is not a normal transaction. It is a long game. After your first purchase, the most important thing is patience. Do not be the client who messages every week asking where the Nautilus is. Wear the watch you bought, visit the store with it, and show that you actually enjoy it. Be polite, be normal, and be memorable for the right reasons, because at this level, being a good client matters. There are also a few things you should never do. Do not immediately resell the watches they allocate you. Do not act entitled. Do not pretend to love Patek if the only reference you know is a Nautilus. And do not treat the AD like they owe you something. For the best Patek allocations, they have more clients than watches. So if they do not like you, there is always someone else. And when the call finally comes, you need to be ready. If they tell you the watch is available, that is not the time to disappear for 3 weeks. You go in, you buy the watch, you thank them properly, and you enjoy the moment because that call is what you were building toward. So the real strategy is simple. Build the relationship, learn the brand, do not ask for the impossible first, buy a classic Patek if you genuinely like it, wait patiently, and do not flip everything the moment you get it. Getting a Patek Philippe from the AD is not just about money. You are competing with people who have history, patience, knowledge, and long-term relationships. But if you do not want to play that game, and you do not want to wait years for the watch you actually want, reach out today. Whether it is a Nautilus, Aquanaut, or a special Patek Philippe reference, we can help you source it.